हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ पावर्स ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। वी नो दैट द पावर्स ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया may be discussed under the following heads, out of which very important power is power to grant pardons. The president shall have the power to grant pardons, reprise, respite or remission of punishment, or to suspend, remit or commute the sentence of any person convicted for any offence. It's a very important and special power of president which is defined under Article 72. So, language of Article 72. The president shall have the power to grant pardons, reprieve, respite or remission of punishment, 2. Suspend, remit or commute the sentence of any person convicted of any offence where the sentence is a death sentence. It means जहाँ पर any person, जिस पर्सन को डेथ सेंटेंस मिला है, उन केसेस में प्रेसिडेंट के पास पावर है इन 4 टर्म पार्डन्स, रिप्राइव, रिस्पाइट और रिमिशंस करने की. नाउ प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी टर्म. द टर्म पार्डन मीन्स it removes both the sentence and the conviction and completely absolve the convicted from all sentences, punishments and disqualification. Means president के पास completely pardoning power है. Clear? Second, commutation. It denotes the substitutions of one form of punishment for a lighter form. It denotes the substitution of one form of a punishment for a lighter one. Means अगर किसी को डेथ सेंटेंस मिला है, then convert to that death sentence into a rigorous imprisonment. Clear? Example से समझ लीजिए. A death sentence may be commuted to rigorous imprisonment, which in turn may be commuted to a simple imprisonment. मीन्स इसमें डेथ का जो लेवल है उस लेवल को लो करने की पावर भी प्रेसिडेंट के पास है. देन रिस्पाइट. इट डिनोट्स अवॉर्डिंग अ लेसर सेंटेंस इन प्लेस ऑफ वन ओरिजिनली अवॉर्डेड ड्यू टू सम स्पेशल फैक्ट्स सच एज physical disability of a convict or the pregnancy of a woman offender. Respites. After that, reprieve. It implies a stay of execution of a sentence, especially that of death, for a temporary period. Its purpose is to enable the convict to have a time to seek pardon or commutation from the president. These are the special powers which are used by the president. Now, there are certain limitations. When president use these powers, then there are certain limitations. First limitation is the president cannot exercise his power of pardon independent of the government. Means government की involvement is important. Second very important case, the name of the case is Maruram versus Union of India. In this case, the Supreme Court has ruled that the president has to act on the advice of the Council of Ministers while deciding mercy pleas. मीन्स जब प्रेसिडेंट किसी भी पर्सन को मर्सी दे रहा है, उसके पनिशमेंट्स को लेस कर रहा है, इन दिस केस इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट प्रेसिडेंट टेक द एडवाइस ऑफ द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. वो कुछ भी डिसीजन लेने से पहले काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स से एडवाइस ले. नाउ प्रोसीजर क्या होगा? प्रोसीजर इज राष्ट्रपति भवन forward the mercy plea to the Home Minister seeking the cabinet advice. राष्ट्रपति भवन से जो मर्सी की प्ली होगी वो फॉरवर्ड जाएगी फॉरवर्ड टू द होम मिनिस्ट्री इन द टू टेकिंग द एडवाइस ऑफ अ कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स, एंड द मिनिस्टर्स इन टर्न फॉरवर्ड दिस टू द कंसर्न्ड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. Based on the reply, it formulates its advice on behalf of the Council of Ministers. Although the President is bound by the Cabinet advice, Article 74 Clause 1 empowers him to return it for reconsideration once. If the Council of Ministers decides against any change, the President has no option but to accept it. So, these are the pardoning power of the President. And please remember that same powers, pardoning power is available to our governor but under Article 161. We will discuss this power in next video. Thank you.